Hey y'all, it's Grace at Living Well Realty. I am back here in Sandbrock Ranch in Aubrey to check up on my client's beautiful house right behind me. As a reminder, this one is built by Highland Homes and this is on a 70-foot product, so really big, beautiful house. There is a lot to see, so I want to go show y'all the progress so far. Did want to point out that we have your brick here, which is so exciting. And remember, if you are watching and wanting to buy or build, I would love to help you, so be sure to reach out to me. My information's below. Let's go see the progress so far. So this update will be relatively quick because I was out here not too long ago, but I did want to show you quickly what all of those internal systems look like. So this is going to be your HVAC, your electrical, plumbing. So all of those rough are done. So I wanted to give you a real quick look at that before we start to insulate and get some walls up. So walking in here, you can see so much more clearly where each room is. So I'll give you a quick walk through the house as well. So we have the study over here to the right of the entryway. So I will give y'all a look, but you'll see throughout the house, these are gonna be your electrical or your switch boxes. So that will turn the light switch on. This down here is gonna be your plug. So anything that you plug into the wall. And you'll see they use this sort of spray foam insulation for any little nooks and crannies that are on an exterior wall. So around each outlet box, you'll see that all of the corners. So if you can see right here. So that's just an extra layer of insulation to make sure that this home is very airtight and sealed from the elements. Because we do get some crazy weather here in Texas. So walking through over here to the left, we have that formal dining room, and this is the entryway into the butler's pantry. We have, of course, this beautiful stairwell. Might be my favorite part. I love this entryway. So then we just have some storage space under the stairs. Over here, I wanted to show you, this is that electrical box. So all of your low voltage is going to be coming right through here. So all of these cords from all over the house will come right here. So this is where it'll be kind of your control panel if you need to access any of that. Which we did get to pick the location since we are building from the ground up. So that's great. We have our living room. The fireplace is installed, as you can see. Really high ceilings. We're gonna have the sliders here. This is gonna be really pretty. As you can see, all of your drywall has been dropped off. So that is ready for installation after we do our pre-drywall meeting. Over here, I think I showed y'all last time, but this blue water line is for your refrigerator. So that is gonna plug in right there. And then we have various switches for your whole kitchen. So since the garage won't be insulated, they do include that same spray insulation on these ones because that's technically considered an exterior wall going out to the garage. Right here, this is going to be for gas, so that's going to connect to the gas cooktop. And of course we have our sink in the middle, island. Just give y'all a real quick look over here. So we have our planning area as we saw last time, which is gonna be such a nice space. I love those windows. And then over here we have that second guest room downstairs. So bedroom here, we have the closet over on this side. Really high ceilings in here. And then this one has the ensuite bathroom. So I know we already saw, but it is plumbed and ready to go. Over here is the laundry room. So you can see all of the ductwork in here is done. Super exciting. It's so cool to see what's behind the walls, because once the walls go up, it's hard to tell where all of the pipes are. But if nothing else, you can at least refer back to these videos when you're hanging pictures on the wall. Make sure you don't bust a pipe or something. So then I'm gonna take you across the way to see the primary suite. And of course this huge patio, which is so nice. Really pretty back here. And actually, I'm gonna take you up here because the fence is done. So you can actually really see how big your yard is going to be. This is a huge lot. So this is a 70 foot. So you get a huge backyard, and doing a 2-story, you get more of that backyard space because there's the upstairs that takes up not as much room as a 1-story. And then of course this right here is your gas stub. So if you were to install an outdoor kitchen, you have that gas ready to use. You can also connect it if you want to do a gas fireplace outside. I've had some clients do that and they love it. So here is the primary suite. So pretty, you can see the detail in that ceiling. We have this bumped out window right here. It'd be so nice for a sitting room. And they're working hard in here, so I'll just give you a real quick peek. Then we'll take a better look next time. But not a whole lot different from last time I was here. The bathrooms are about at the same stage. So I'll show you all upstairs real quick, give you a better look at that HVAC. And then we'll be ready to move on. So after this, our next step is going to be insulation. So we're gonna meet with our builder sometime in the next week. After that, they'll insulate and then they'll hang drywall. And so I always recommend the pre-drywall inspection. So if you are getting one of those, this is the time to do it. Excuse me. Over here we have the half bathroom, which is really nice for when guests are in town or using this space up here. There is a great spot for entertaining. This right here is that game room. So let's take a look. So this actually looks over into the entryway. All of this is going to be that iron railing. We have a view of the front of the house. And there is so much room for entertaining up here. So this is a game room. To my left is the media room. So this is where, if you want to watch movies, this is the place to do it. No windows in here, so it'll feel really dark, kind of like a theater. I'm gonna give you a look at the HVAC. So all of this up here, sorry if you can see, all of this is your HVAC system. So that is the airflow throughout the house. And each room you're gonna see where the air comes in and then where it goes out. So that's the return. And what that does is help balance the air pressure through each room so that the door doesn't slam shut when you open a door. Some of those older houses, you'll see that. This room right here is that playroom. Then over here we have a bedroom with an ensuite. And then across the playroom we have another bedroom and ensuite. Right here. They're making sure all of your plumbing is in line and cleaning it up for you. So let me give you just one more look at the HVAC over here. Hopefully you can see. So all of this way up here in your attic, it all stems kind of from right there. If you can see that big gray box right there. And all of this is going to be airflow going to different rooms, making sure that you have clean air throughout the house. All right, y'all, that is it for this update. I will be back once we insulate to show y'all what that looks like. I am so excited to be checking up on this house. It is going to be so beautiful, and I'm so excited for my sweet clients. Again, if you're watching, wanting to buy or build, I would love to help you, so be sure to reach out to me. My information is below, and until then, y'all stay blessed.